everyone, my name is Megan. I normally go by Meg. I just graduated with my Bachelor's of Science in Nutrition and Dietetics from Indiana University of Pennsylvania, or IUP. And I'm starting my master's in August at the University of Pittsburgh through their nutritionist dietitian program, which is why I'm taking this course as a prerequisite for my classes starting then. I'm originally from Sparta, New Jersey, which is up north, and I've been living in Pittsburgh for about the past 2 years. My younger sister goes to the University of Pittsburgh and is in her undergrad, so I'm really excited to be in the same city as her and on the same campus. And we have a dog. His name is Okemo, and he's a golden doodle puppy. He's living in New Jersey with my parents, so I don't get to see him as often as I'd like, but he's really cute. I'm hoping to specialize in maternal and pediatric nutrition at the University of Pittsburgh, and I currently am working with UPMC St. Margaret's in their food service department, which is really good experience for my field. So I'm really excited to start this course, and hopefully we're all super successful and have a good 8 weeks together.